Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Like movies, right? Alright, let's go. Alright, welcome to the world. Oh, look at that. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Look at that. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can tell from the sound of my voice, but I am a man. Alright, let's get started then. Wake your ass up. No, I'm playing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well, they just standing right outside the door. So were they here this whole time just waiting on me? Creepy. I don't know how I feel about that. You know, y'all gonna be stalkers now. Wait a minute. Town. Okay, dope. Anyway, hey Sean, this way over here. Okay, I'll be over there. Just give me a minute. Oh, okay. I guess I can't even explore. Okay. What? No way. He's a little S for sure. First of all, I'm taller than you, girl. Don't get it twisted. Big S. Okay, look. That's not even low key. First of all, it's big and then S. Like, big isn't low key. Little was low key because it's low and it's low. Key. Let's go with Finnegan, the fire type. Ooh, that's iconic.